palang maghanap ka ng mga ginseng, oh. These are Korea, known for mga ito, ginseng cuttings. I don't know kung pwedeng mauwi siya. These are those are ginseng roots. This is a ginseng shop. Gusto mo bumili ng ginseng pa ito? Grabe. We're here in Pohang Market, part of our Korean tour. Tingnan mo yung mga sibuyas nila, ang lalaki. Tingnan yung idea of their mga vegetables. Ito yung mga hinahalo sa kimchi, oh. There, no, ordinary lang sa kanila pa yung kwan dito. Yung ginseng roots, no? Ano? Ano, togi? Togi. Giant togis. The sibuyas are really giant. No? Ito sibuyas nila, meron ba tayong ganyan? So big.
Lalo sa sibuyas ito na ano? Or red.
Weather kasi is temperate to very cold, so iba yung their spices are different. Ito may mga mushroom, mushroom to. Mushroom. That is seaweed siya. Seaweeds, no? No, that is seaweed siya. Unique yung mga really part of yung diet ng isang group of people. Iba din yung kutis nila. Pohang Market before we go to yung next destination.